National Institute of Medical Sciences RIMS Lumfeldpot today observed World Hepatitis Day under the theme Invest in Eliminating Hepatitis and launch of National Viral Hepatitis Control Program at the Hospital Jubilee Hall. Bishnupur District Police in association with BBC Pioneer Club and Bishnupur Municipal Council under the supervision of Superintendent of Police Bishnupur Hobson Sapam conducted a cleanliness program at Bishnupur District Hospital campus and Bishnupur Bazaar this morning. Around 300 police personnel took part in the program. The Nagaland government yesterday constituted a 3-member commission for studying, examining, recommending and advising on all issues relating to Register of Indigenous Inhabitants of Nagaland (RIIN). As per reports, the commission has been formed under the chairmanship of retired IAS officer Banu Jet Jamir. Former Union Minister and senior Congress leader S. Jayapal Reddy passed away today in Hyderabad. He was 77. Reportedly, Reddy was admitted to the Asian Institute of Gastroenterology in Gachibowli with a high fever a few days back and was undergoing treatment.